How to upload high-quality pictures on Facebook. First things first, open up the Facebook Lite app on your smartphone. It's a lighter version of the Facebook app, so it's perfect if you want to conserve data or if your phone has limited storage space. Look for the three lines icon at the top right corner of the screen. It's usually up there. Tap on that icon, and it'll open up a menu for you. In that menu, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and it'll expand to show you more options. From the expanded options, tap on Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can tweak different things. Scroll down through your settings until you see Media. It should be somewhere in there. Tap on it to open up your media settings. Once you're in the media settings, look for the option called Photo Quality. Among the options, you'll see High Quality. Tap on that one to make sure your photos get uploaded in the best quality possible. Before uploading, make sure that the photos you choose are high quality. Check their resolution and clarity to ensure they'll look great when uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully configured Facebook Lite to upload high-quality pictures. Remember, uploading high-quality pictures not only enhances your posts, but also ensures your memories are preserved in the best possible way. Thanks for watching.